Hello everyone, thanks for checking out this lecture. We are going to do a bit of a comparison here. Just going to show you the power of how much you can actually make using this system and going through this course. We're going to compare a few prices of some products between Amazon and Alibaba. We're right here now on Alibaba, and for those of you that don't know, Alibaba is enormous. I mean, it's huge. If you were to put an Amazon and an eBay next to it, it would still cast a huge shadow over them and probably eat both of them for lunch and have room for dinner. It's a big website. To show you just kind of like the vastness of it, we'll go into all categories here, and these are all the categories that Alibaba has factories selling in. And as you can see, it's absolutely insane the huge amount of product they have for sale here. Now what's really interesting is, yeah, it's home and garden, and then it has a number next to it right here, and that's the same with every kind of category here. And that number is the number of factories and suppliers that are selling in that category. Some of these numbers are huge, and you can really see that you're never going to see everything on this site. Not even if you spent your life doing it, I don't think you would see everything on this site. It is massive, and that means very good for us because the selection of products that we can choose to sell to our customers and market and turn into brands is absolutely epic, and we'll never get bored. That's basically that. Okay, so what we're going to look at in Alibaba here is we're going to check out a few kind of different products. The first one is hairbrushes, and I've kind of pre-selected these already just for the sake of saving a bit of time, but do feel free to go through and do what we're going to do here and check it out for yourself, and you'll see if you compare prices with what's for sale on Alibaba with Amazon, you'll see for yourself that the opportunity here, once you learn how to import products, the opportunity you have in front of you is truly vast, and you'll be able to make great money very quickly. Okay, so here we are on Alibaba in the hairbrush section, well, not section, product page here, and we've got in the top section here, the FOB price is US dollars, between $1 and $2 a piece. Okay, and these are 4 by 4 centimeter professional salon hairbrush, and over on the side here it tells us that this is a 4-year gold seller. We'll go into detail on this in a bit in the course. Basically, that tells you that these guys have been meeting a certain set of high quality seller standards with Alibaba and have been awarded for 4 years a gold seller status. FOB, and the FOB price is basically, it's the product, the factory is responsible for the product to the rail of the ship. After that, the responsibility is held with the customer. When I say responsibility, I mean the price. They're going to pay for the product, get it from their factory to the local port, which is Guangzhou here. So that will be their responsibility to get it to the port of Guangzhou and get it onto the boat, and that will be or onto the plane or your method of transportation for shipping. Yep, it's their responsibility for that. Once that's done, the payment and everything goes over to you, and you will be responsible for it from there to your front door. Basically, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to ring anyone up or go down a port or start organizing boats or anything like that. It's all done with delivery companies, just so that you know that that's the shipping arrangement that they're interested in doing. Anyway, back to the product. This is $2 a piece. When you order the minimum order quantity here, which is 1,200 pieces, you'll be charged $2 a piece. Okay, we have going to show you methods within this course how to reduce minimum order quantities for those of you guys on a budget. So you'll be able to take it down lower, but you'll still probably be paying $2 a piece, maybe a bit more if that's part of your agreement you arrange with them. Okay, so we go over to Amazon, and I found the very same product on Amazon for $10.99. Okay, that's £10.99. Now I know what you're saying. This product's that's round. This one's square. I hear you. Now you see these guys down here, they're round. And if we go further down on the Alibaba listing here, you will see that they do every shape, color, and everything that you can possibly think of in hairbrush stylage. So yes, this is pretty much the same product for sale on Amazon, and they're charging $10.99. So if we go quickly to our currency converter, I'm just using Google here, and we type $10.99 into this, that is $16, and that at the time of typing that was $16. So that's not bad when you're paying $2 a unit, obviously excluding a lot of shipping, but it's $2 a unit. $16 is the gross profit right there. So that's a great markup, and that's per unit. So that's very nice indeed. Okay, our next one is the cat scratcher post. I have a cat. I love my little furball cat. It runs around, and if it didn't have a cat scratcher post, my house would probably be in ruins. So I need the cat scratcher post really badly. Anyone else out there who has a cat will know what I mean. Cats love to dig their claws into it, and yeah, it's cool. So again, here we're looking and we're seeing it's $5 a piece, always the top end for the minimum order quantity. So 1,000 pieces will be $5 a piece. So most you're going to pay will be a $5,000 initial order. But obviously, again, I'll tell you how to reduce minimum order quantities, and these are all negotiable prices. These guys want your business, so we'll be able to get these down somewhat. Anyway, 1,000 pieces, $5 a piece. I found the very same product on Amazon. Here it is, and they are doing it for $17.44, and that is the same, I guess. Yeah, different product photos. They've actually got a great product photo there. I really like that. They could do with a few more though. Their listing is pretty average to be, well, pretty poor to be honest. We'll go in an awful lot into Amazon listings, and how your listing on Amazon is very, very important into ranking and beating your competition on Amazon. These guys have got 109 reviews, and their listing isn't that great. So they have a good product there, and they're making a huge profit there. We'll just check that out. So $17.44. That's $25.54. So it's $25.54. You're getting it at $5 a piece. That's a gross profit of $20. Take off shipping from that, so you're still looking double-figure profit margins there. That's very nice indeed. They're doing very well. 109 customer reviews, and they're all looking very good as well. 72 5 stars and 15 4 stars, dwarfing the lower star ratings there. They say a general rule of thumb that 10% of your customers will leave a review. So 109 customers have left a review there. That's only 10% of their customers, so they're in the tens of thousands of sales there at that price. Very nice indeed. Yeah, they're doing very well with that one. Okay, the next one is the microfiber towels. I've sold these before. I've imported these in and sold them before. It's quite a competitive little market now on Amazon, in the UK anyway. They're very cool, they're very cheap, and you can get a lot over, and a lot of factories are very, what's the word I'm looking for? Hospitable with the packaging. They'll help you out with little bags, mesh bags, and all sorts of things like that, and add a little logo and label on there, and it looks really good. As you can see, when we get down there, they do multiple different sizes, which is great, and a whole array of different colors, packaging options. You get me tubes, bags, all sorts of things like that. These guys look very good, and they look like they're really wanting your business with all these different payment options here, and photos of their factories, which is very cool indeed. The minimum order quantity again is 1,000 pieces at $2.85 a piece. Now then, if we check out the Amazon listing, these range from, I guess it's from the size here, between £4 to £14.89. 161 customer reviews, and it's all looking good. I'm not sure if this is the actual factory that supplied this one, but you get the point. For the sake of example here, it's a microfiber bag with the whole mesh deal going on there. It's the same thing that these guys are offering, so it's there or thereabouts. These guys are also a 2-year gold supplier on Amazon, Alibaba, so that's cool. And they do a whole range of colors on Amazon here for these guys, which is good. So yeah, that's great. £14.89 for a large microfiber towel. That is 14.89. That's $21. So it's a gross profit of about $19 there for something that you'll get shipped over very cheaply as well, because they are quite light and small and can be packed very well into a box. So that's really good, and yeah, definitely something you should look at. Like again, they are competitive because they're cheap and they pack well and they don't damage in shipping or anything like that, and they're easy to get private labeled like these guys have done. They've got Sinland written there. That's their, obviously a little logo, company name type deal, and they're doing a good trade there. Very nice indeed. And the last one we're going to look at is dog kennels. Now, I don't own a dog. I'm a cat man. I don't have a dog and a cat in the house, so my house would just be rubble. But yeah, dog kennels are something I watch with great interest on Amazon, and I browse with great interest on Alibaba, because dog beds and dog kennels are something they're expensive in shipping. Like this guy here, that's $42.99. I wouldn't say that their profit margin with that at that price is that great, but they got a good little product photo. They've got another one there with 2 dogs kind of lying on it, and the dimensions there, very good, very nice. And it's nice, but it's heavy. But the reason why I look at these is because dog houses are unreal, and the money that people will pay to have a fancy, nice-looking doghouse is just fascinating to me. This one here is like an old a barn or something like that with a fence. This one here I was looking at earlier. That looks really nice. I can see that selling well on Amazon. Obviously, the weight is something you really need to concentrate on here. And yeah. There's another one there. It's kind of like a fantasy type look. Very nice, very cool. And we have our one here. What's this one? This one looks like ours, I guess. We have a quick look down here. Yeah. Let's have a look at this one. There you go. So they're doing it $33 a piece. They've given loads of images there, little dogs, cute dogs on there, and it's a cool little thing to have. It's obviously showing it there tucked away in a house, not taking up too much space. That little fur ball there in front of it. Nice little area for your dog, and $33 a piece, and they are selling it at $42.99. So we'll quickly check again with our currency converter. $42.99 is $62. So it's under 100% markup there. I'm not sure if I would do that one myself. I'd probably charge more, and it's getting a couple of dodgy reviews there as well. So maybe worth a look, but there's still, I mean, like by any standards, that's a great markup nonetheless. We're kind of splitting hairs there, but yeah, going down, have a look. There's probably better options here on Alibaba. Look at that, is actually a house. It's even got tiles on the roof there. Slate, yeah, that's crazy. This one here, it's a log cabin. Why not? Get that in your house. Some of these, I'm not sure, you might even need planning permission to put them in your garden. 590 US. Wow. There's our one again, but a much higher price. We've got this one down here. Modern and luxury light steel structured doghouse for sale. We'll have a quick look at this listing. Ah, my word. They're not giving many images away. So, okay, no images. But there's a lot of information there, and that is just absolutely crazy. But people will pay this. People will pay it. If you're a dog owner, you probably know what I mean. You will pay big for your pet, and they love to show off their pet's accessories as well. There's a few more wooden houses down here, and if you can get it over cheap and kind of get the cheapest shipping you can, then it might be worth an option to have a look. I don't think it's too much competition on Amazon. Sorry, there is 87,912 results for doghouse. Some of these are like foam doghouse type things, but others aren't. And not many of them are Amazon Prime either. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just to show you a couple of price comparisons there. I really hope they kind of illustrate to you just the potential here of what you can do. You can sit on Alibaba and compare prices and do things like this all day long. Alibaba is a crazy site with so much going on it. I struggle to find something that Alibaba doesn't sell. I mean, it has literally everything. For example, I'll show you here right now. I will type roller coaster into Alibaba, and it comes up already in the automated search here. We'll click there, and there we go. We have roller coasters, and not just like little crappy roller coasters. We're talking top of the range roller coasters here. Let's have a look at that one. Look at that. That's something you find in your local theme park. Unbelievable. I don't advocate you start shipping in roller coasters, but just to illustrate to you that really this website is absolutely phenomenal, and there is so much you can do with it. It's just crazy, and there's a whole lot of money to be made on it as well. So anyway, I really hope that helps you guys out, and just kind of shows you what's what and what we can do with this. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.